Hello, my name is Kenny Davila, and in this video I will be explaining to you the zoom in and color options that you have available in this tool to make your annotation process easier. The first option that we have is the zoom. By default, every image is gonna be open in its original scale. As you can see here in the top right corner, we have a zoom of 100%. Some images are too small, and sometimes you need to see some details to make marking things such as bounding boxes easier. For those cases, you can always zoom in to make sure that the object that you're trying to see is clearly visible and is easier to mark. When the image is bigger than the panel on the left side, the scroll bars will automatically appear. You can use this to move to the region of the image where you want to annotate a given element. When you are done, you can always zoom out to make the image smaller. You can always go back to the original scale by clicking on the option of 100%. The next set of options that we have here is the color options. By default, the image will be shown in RGB with data overlays. Data overlays are used through the interface to show different annotations. In this case, the number of panels, which we have only one, so you will see a single light green border all around the image. And the second overlay, in this case, is the class of the chart, which in this case is it's a bar chart of vertical orientation. There will be different cases where maybe you want to remove the overlay for some reason. You can do that by using the option of RGB clear. Then you can see the original image without any kind of overlay. If you want to get the overlay to be displayed again, click back on RGB data. In other scenarios, the fact that the chart has certain colors which match the overlay can make the annotation a bit harder. In those scenarios, it might be good to switch to a grayscale mode. You can click on grayscale data to see the original image in grayscale but keep the overlays. And if you just want to see the image in grayscale without any overlays, you can click on gray and clear. Use these options to your convenience in order to make your job a lot easier.